Okay, let's talk about some of the course requirements here. There are mainly two things you need to worry about throughout the semester. One of them is this weekly assignment you're getting, and another one is a term project I'm going to be assigning for the entire semester.
There is only one type of weekly assignment, which is quiz, and it really tests your understanding of the materials covered each week. And since we are having these quizzes every week, we're not going to have any exams during the semester. And these quizzes are good indicators for me to see your progress throughout the semester, and since it is being assigned every week, it's very important for you to turn it in on time. Once you miss the deadline, I think it will be very tough for you to be able to keep up with it. There are also other assignments for this course. The first one I'd like to discuss is hands-on labs, and there are 5 hands-on labs excluding Lab 0, which is an introduction lab designed to have you get more familiar with the lab environment itself. So for the labs we use virtual machines, and in Lab 0 basically you learn how to get connected to the virtual machines. This first lab is assigned this week, and it's actually due by this Sunday, so make sure you ask enough questions. If you are facing any troubles while trying to do the first lab, Lab 0, and once you get familiar with the lab environment, then doing the rest of the labs will be much easier. Next is discussion activity. We have about 4 discussion activities, and in addition to those 4, again, just to get started, we have discussion activity 0, which is introduction of yourself. So in this discussion activity, you'll be talking about your experience related to this course, your current job, what kind of hobbies you have, what's your interest, where your home is, what you're expecting from this course, and so on. Finally, we have reading and reflection assignment. We also have about 4 of these assignments, and what I'm expecting you to do from these type of assignments is that you read an article and you basically summarize what you read. And also, one of the things I'm looking for in your writing is what really impressed you the most while you were reading the article, and what you actually got out of the article itself, and how you think the article really enhances your understanding of information security and assurance. Also, I want you to identify the main points of the article, and finally you can also talk about whether you agree or disagree with the main points of the article. The very first article I'm assigning you, actually I'm assigning it to you this week, is an annual survey conducted by this organization, Computer Security Institute. They do these surveys every year, and they actually try to identify the current threats against information systems. So it gives you a pretty good idea of what is really the current up-to-date threat environment, and I think it's a very useful article. So I hope you will have fun while reading this article.